Today on Kip and Finn on the farm, we've got lots of hungry animals to feed. We'd better get started.
Kip and Finn!
First up, it's time to feed the sheep. Pa hops on the four-wheel motorbike and tows the grain trailer out to the paddock. Look at that! 60 sheep waiting eagerly for their breakfast. They recognise the trailer right away and start following along, knowing a tasty meal is coming. Pa pulls a rope to open the hatch and out comes a trail of lupins.
Let's feed the sheep! Da.
Now let's start up the tractor and head to the hay shed. Today we're collecting barley straw bales. The cattle will be very happy about this. Hello, lovely ladies. In this paddock we have cows and their calves. They're a mix of different beef breeds including Angus, Murray Grey, Droughtmaster, Santa Gertrudis and Speckle Park. The tractor lifts the hay feeder using the loader forks. This metal barrier helps stop the hay from getting wasted on the ground. Pa cuts and removes the bale strings, ready for the cows to begin their feast. The cattle now have their food and are happy, so off we go.
The cows are happy.
The next morning, we visit the milking shed to see our favourite dairy cow, Clarabelle. Good morning, Clarabelle. For breakfast, she's getting a special treat. Lupins that have been soaked overnight in water, making them extra juicy and delicious. Pa drains the extra water and mixes in some oats to create a yummy meal for Clarabelle. And let's not forget Festus the bull. He's always hanging around near his girlfriend's yard, hoping for a snack too. Now it's milking time. Finn helps by carrying the milking bucket over to Pa. First, we clean Clarabelle's udder using a warm, damp towel. Then, the milking begins while Clarabelle is happily munching on her breakfast. It's summer, which means less green grass, so she's giving us about 2.5 litres of milk every day. In winter, when the paddocks are greener, she'll produce more milk, about 4.5 litres daily. Thanks, Clarabelle.
Thanks, Clarabelle.
Daisy is ferreting for a mouse. No luck today. Let's take the milk back to the house.
Daisy.
Daisy loves her morning milk.
Yum. I love drinking milk.
Now let's move some cattle. Uncle Dustin has a huge herd, over 300 cows and calves. Today, they're being moved to a fresh paddock with plenty of food. This is called rotational grazing and is part of regenerative farming. By rotating the cattle between different paddocks, we help the land to stay healthy, prevent overgrazing, and keep plenty of food growing for the animals. The cattle thrive, the paddocks recover, and it's all better for the environment too. The paddock is full of these subtropical grasses. They grow all year round for the cattle to graze on. Another tasty food in this paddock are these rows of tagasasti bushes. These are also green all year round and packed full of nutrients to keep the cattle healthy.
Look at these happy cows.
Well, that's another big day on the farm done and dusted.
That's another big day on the farm.
Feeding animals isn't just about filling their bellies. It's about taking good care of them and the land they live on. When we look after nature, it looks after us too. Thanks for joining us. Check out our other videos for more farm adventures. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button. See you next time.